Follow the Savory way to make no-bake strawberry lemon cheesecake. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter. Then grind the cookies in a food processor. Mix the cookie crumbs with the melted butter. Line the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan with parchment paper. Press the cookie mixture onto the bottom and slightly up the sides of the pan. In a food processor, blend the cream cheese and lemon curd. Pour onto the crust. And chill. While the cheesecake sets, remove the stems from the strawberries and cut the fruit into quarters. Remove the cheesecake from the refrigerator and top with the berries. Remove the springform pan. Right before serving, grate the white chocolate over the strawberries. That's the simple, savory way to make no-bake strawberry lemon cheesecake.